Welcome back, designers. Yesterday here at Cotton Council International presents Let's Design 3, we gave you a task which was not only to design and visualize ensembles, 7 components of a lady's wardrobe, but we also wanted to see how you work together as a team. Now, unfortunately, according to the judges, your design and execution was not up to the mark. Which is why today, you will be faced with an elimination task. This elimination task will require you to work as individual designers. This is going to be a chance for us to see for the first time what you bring to the table. There will be no excuses, no second chances. Success and failure is all up to you. It's in your own hands. At the end of this elimination challenge, 2 of you will be going home. Are you ready? In today's task, we will provide you with old and ready-made garments, as well as accessories, which are at your workstations. You will be asked to recreate something innovative from this material, and you will have 3 hours to complete this challenge.
I don't know who's going to get eliminated. I think this is the first time anyone is going into the elimination challenge, and it's first time in this challenge that anyone's actually displaying their individual work.
पहला एलिमिनेशन चैलेंज 8 कंटेस्टेंट्स और इन्हें दिए जा रहे हैं कुछ गारमेंट्स जिन्हें डीकंस्ट्रक्ट करके इन्हें एक नया आउटफिट तैयार करना है। एलिमिनेशन से बचने का बस यही एक जरिया है और इसके लिए वक्त है सिर्फ 3 घंटों का।
We had to deconstruct the garment that is already constructed.
Designers, when I say begin, head to your workstations and start work. Let's begin.
पहले तो जब हमने बैग ओपन करा तो तीनों फैब्रिक एक दूसरे के जरा भी आसपास नहीं थे। तो फैब्रिक देख के लुक समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि इससे क्या बनाऊँ और क्या नहीं बनाऊँ, क्योंकि मेरे पास कुछ भी नहीं था स्ट्रक्चर बनाने के लिए, और एक जो फ्लीस था बस उसी से मुझे परफॉर्म करना था।
And what have you been given? What are you creating?
I got a jacket,
Okay.
a skirt, and this tool. I'm gonna use this to create a tunic, or as in a one piece.
A one piece. So all 3 elements is going to be meshed into one piece. The designers are now at their workstations, and as per their request, they've each been provided with a white mannequin. This is the first elimination task, so the pressure is really building. This is also the first individual task that each designer will be doing on their own. So who will fail under pressure? Who will succeed? For that, we'll have to wait and see.
We were given about 3 garments and we were asked to deconstruct it into one outfit or look. I was given a black and white skirt, a pink shirt, and a stole.
I got a skirt, I got denims, and I got a little bag.
मुझे मिला एक बैग, halter dress और crochet jacket. I'm trying to make a dress out of all these 3 elements. I'm still not sure क्या आने वाला है last में.
Dress, short pant, and a shirt. So everything is falling into place as
I've got a trouser like a jeans, and I've got a top like black one, and I got a dress which is something knee level. Actually, I'm making a dress with a trouser, with a denim.
We've been watching you and we are absolutely intrigued by what you've done with this so far.
this fabric is slightly odd, and I'm working hard to place where.
You're struggling a little bit to figure out where it fits. Strange collection of different prints, haven't they? You still have a little while left.
Yeah.
So you're going good for time? You think you can manage, feeling good about it?
Yeah, I can manage.
Okay.
I can complete within the time frame.
Positive attitude, I like it. We'll see you in a little while.
Honestly speaking, मुझे भी नहीं पता मैं क्या बना रही हूँ.
डेंजर जोन में आए डिजाइनर्स एलिमिनेशन चैलेंज में नाक रगड़ रहे हैं, जबकि सेफ टीम बाहर मजे लूट रही है, अपने जीत का जश्न मना रही है।
Since we are enjoying right now, Somehow I'm feeling really bad for our friends who are working inside. I wish them all their luck.
After winning, yeah, we are all charged up, then taking a rest.
हमारी टीम ने अच्छा काम किया, टीम वर्क था हमारा. उनके टीम में उतनी शायद अंडरस्टैंडिंग नहीं थी.
सक्सेस के लिए तो ऑब्वियसली थोड़ा सा फाइट करना पड़ेगा ही. फाइट वो लोग भी कर रहे हैं और फाइट हम लोग भी किए थे. हम लोग जीत गए. नाउ दे हैव टू फाइट.
That team was with each other. Now they're fighting against each other.
आइए देखते हैं अब तक हमारे डिजाइनर्स ने क्या बनाया है.
Hi Srinath. This looks interesting. What was this originally?
The dress and this was the shorts.
Okay.
So I broke into pieces like as deconstructive way.
Okay.
So trying to make a pant out of it.
Okay, now remember that in your previous team task, that one of the biggest problems you guys had was the fitting of the pants. So I'm hoping that you're going to be able to rectify that with this particular piece.
I got a bag which had a patchwork on it. So I just cut the eye and the love and rest the cotton fabric is there. So I love cotton.
मुझे तो एक फन टास्क ज़्यादा लगा, एक चैलेंज से अगर कंपेयर किया जाए तो.
So this is a little scarf I see that you're making into a jacket.
I think 3 hours is a good enough time, especially for deconstruction, because you're already given a garment that's constructed.
Right now I'm doing like Japanese street fashion look. I'm making one shrug and one like jumpsuit kind of garment, and another stocking, and this fabric I'm attaching as a detail.
गौरव ने कमाल का दिमाग पाया है. पूरी जीन्स को ही पलट के ड्रेस बना दिया है. इसमें मेहनत बड़ी कम नजर आ रही है, पर जजेस उनकी इस क्रिएटिविटी को सराहेंगे या नहीं, ये तो वक्त ही बताएगा.
Oh, I'm liking the look of this. Very interesting. What was this before?
Skirt.
Skirt. Okay, and so this is the top of the skirt?
Yeah, this is like it comes on the hip.
Okay.
I got the stole. This is out of the stole. This is the jacket. This is the sleeves of the jacket.
Okay, designers. We're at the halfway mark. You have 1.5 hours remaining for this final elimination challenge.
कुछ डिजाइनर्स के कपड़े बनते हुए दिख रहे हैं, तो कुछ के बिल्कुल नहीं. जाने क्या बना रहे हैं. ये कुछ बना भी रहे हैं या फिर सिर्फ ख्यालों में ही हो रही है डिजाइनिंग.
Designers, you have 5 minutes left. Now is the time to put on all the finishing touches. Hem, sew, cut, do whatever it is that you have to do. Do it quickly.
I wish like 8 of them stays in the house just because looking at the garment is like more creative and everyone are their best.
आई थिंक टीम वर्क में काम करना और अकेले काम करने में दोनों के अपने एडवांटेजेस और डिसएडवांटेजेस हैं. टीम वर्क में काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होके बन जाती हैं और इंडिविजुअल वर्क में सब कुछ आपके सर पे होता है. एंड यू हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ एवरीथिंग. इन अ वे इट्स गुड क्योंकि सब कुछ आपके कंट्रोल में है.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Designers, put down your garments and leave the workshop. Cotton Council International presents Let's Design 3. This has been the first elimination challenge for the season. 8 designers have produced what we hope is good work, but will it be good enough? After 3 hours of hard work, their fate lies in the judges' hands.